Hello everyone, I am Divya. I will talk about environmental degradation in Bangalore. Introduction. Bengaluru is the official name of the capital city of Karnataka. It lies on the Deccan Plateau. It has an average elevation of 900 meters, which is highest of the India's major cities. It is called the Garden City of India and Silicon Valley of India. But Bangalore has grown rapidly over the decades. It has caused various problems leading to environmental degradation. This is the Bangalore urban district. It has 4 taluks: Bangalore North, Bangalore South, Bangalore East, and Anekal taluk. Urbanization. What is urbanization? In simple terms, it is the shift of population from rural side to urban side. There are 3 main reasons for urbanization: natural increase in population, rural to urban migration, industrialization, development, globalization. These are the reasons for urbanization. Urbanization in Bangalore. What are the reasons for urbanization in Bangalore? There are 6 main reasons. The first is Silicon Valley of India. ISRO, HAL, Infosys, Wipro are headquartered in the city. Major IT companies are operating in the city, such as IBM. Second is the education. The quality of education is very good and it is attracting students all across India to come and study in Bangalore. Institutes such as ISC, Institute of Management, Bangalore, NLSIU, NIMANS, and many other such universities have increased the standard of education. Third is the health services. The emergency care centers and health services are provided very well to the people, and hence many people in search of health services are coming to Bangalore. Employment opportunity due to increase in their skill set owing to education and creation of Silicon Valley and many other opportunities created many jobs, hence attracting many people to Bangalore. Fifth is ease of living. The standard of living has increased over the decade, attracting many people. The final is the greater access to social services, public education, social works, health services, and many other is provided in the city, attracting many people to come and settle in Bangalore. Levels of urbanization. If we look at the graph, there is gradual increase in the total population of the country and urban population in Bangalore. But after 1971, we see rapid increase in the urban population of Bangalore. In 2011, there was 51.9% growth of population in Bangalore, and it is projected that it will increase in the coming years. So what are the problems of urbanization? The first and foremost is loss of natural resources and animal species. And there is unplanned development owing to rapid influx of people, and people are only looking to make profits but not caring for the environment. And this is causing rapid floods and increase in the cost of living. The prices is increasing, but the wages are the same, again leading to poverty, unemployment as there are shortage of jobs, but the people are more, and inadequate housing because of shortages housing facility. These are the problems of urbanizations in Bangalore. For example, Belandur Lake and Varthur Lake caught fire due to toxic foam formation. This was due to the toxic water released into the water by the surrounding industries and leakage of sewage water. This is due to illegal encroachment of lake bed for construction purpose and creation of slums, increase in the poverty, and the deterioration of health. Unplanned urbanization and flooding. These both are interlinked. As we see in the topographic map of Bangalore, the red areas are high areas. They are at the elevation of more than 900 meters. The yellow areas and green, blue areas are low-lying regions. The entire Bangalore does not flood, only the low-lying areas flood. Bangalore lies in the Deccan Plateau, and towards the east, towards the west, both have low-lying areas. The gradient level of Bengaluru is different in different areas. Gradient level is nothing but the elevation, the slope. If we look at the high ground where the Vidhan Sauda is located, it has an elevation of 935 meters, and Kengeri has 795 meters, and Belenduru Lake has 870 meters. These are the elevations. So the elevation level in Bengaluru differs according to the area. Owing to rapid urbanization and illegal encroachment of lake beds and construction in the flow of the rainwater has created floods. In 2005, HSR layout and Hosu layout witnessed flood. In 2022 itself, Mahadevapura, Kormangala, and HSR layout, Hosu layout were affected, but it was very severe in Mahadevapura. BBMP carried out demolition of illegal encroachments, but these are not enough. The one and only way is we must go for the sustainable development. Development plans must be made based on the elevation level so that they are not found on the lake beds or where the rainwater flows, and there must be proper drain management. We should make sure that the sewage is not mixed with the rainwater drain. We have to prevent illegal encroachments. The overall solutions to urbanization is one and only way, that is sustainable development and planned development. We have to plan for sustainable growth. We have to make sure that we use clean energy such as solar energy and wind energy. And decentralization must happen so that we have to reduce concentration of people in the city, and the surrounding towns must be developed. And transportation facilities must be available for the surrounding towns as well. And the employment opportunity and creation of wealth must take place so that the people can earn and make a living. And the health care services also must be met, and the safety of the people must also be met. Deforestation. What is deforestation? It is destruction of forests by the people. Loss of forest in Bangalore. If we see the map, there is gradual decrease in the green cover of Bangalore. The red is nothing but the constructed buildings. In 2020, only 2.86% of green vegetation was found in Bangalore urban. Significant forest is lost over the decades. These are the reserved and minor forests of Bangalore. Bangalore urban has about 5,000 hectares of forest area. Bangalore trees. We can find trees along the streets, residential homes, campuses, and parks. Common trees are rain tree, gulmohar tree, sampige, mahogany, and ficus lechiana. These are found in Malleshwaram, Rajajinagar, Sheshadripuram, and many other places. Trees are essential because they reduce pollution. They provide clean air to the people. And there are certain parks such as Lal Bagh and Kaman Park which create green buffer across the city. So what are the problems of deforestation? The pollution will increase as there are many vehicles on the road. Traffic will increase. Due to traffic, the roads are widened and the trees along the roads are cut, leading to loss of trees. The atmosphere temperature will increase due to no trees, leading to global warming. There will be changes in the monsoon cycle. And there is lack of drain management in Bangalore, and it is causing floods in the low-lying areas. There is rapid urbanization, but for deforestation is continuously taking place. And illegal encroachments have been happening in lake beds and forest area, which is causing problems to humans. Roads and deforestation. These are interconnected as there is more population, urbanization in Bangalore. There are more personal vehicles on the road, which is causing a lot of traffic. And hence the BBMP are widening the roads and they're cutting trees. In 2023 January, 54 trees were cut to make way for Bellary Road. And Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited had to cut down 2,688 trees for Bangalore Metro Phase 1. And there are plans to widen the roads and construct bridges in Bannerghatta, Sarjapur, Anekal, Whitefield. This is reducing the green cover in Bangalore. Owing to more traffic and urbanization, they are cutting down trees. This is not the solution to any problem. May it be widening the roads or making way for lesser traffic. The only way forward to avoid deforestation is we plant more and more trees, and we do not cut those trees, and we relocate these trees, and we have to create awareness among the people and tell them the importance of the trees. And conservation efforts must be taken up. And sustainable development and green development is the only way forward. Real estate development must take place, keeping in mind about the environmental impacts of development. These are the solutions to deforestation, pollution. Urbanization and deforestation will lead to pollution. So what is pollution? Pollution is nothing but contamination. It may be contamination of air, land, or water, which in turn affect the environment and animals. What are the pollutions in Bangalore? There are four main pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. Now let us look into air pollution in Bangalore. Air pollution in Bangalore is attributed to urbanization, deforestation, and industrialization. These are certain industries in Bangalore which cause pollution owing to the nature of industries such as graphite, cement industry, battery industries. The major pollutants are sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen trioxides, and particulate matters. These are airborne particles. They are very minute microparticles, and these may come from direct emissions such as diesel soot, petrol soot, effluents from the industries, and these are very harmful and detrimental to human health as well as the environment. These cause air pollution. 1.6K vehicles are added to Bengaluru Road daily. At the junctions such as Silk Board and Kyarpuram, the traffic is huge due to these personal vehicles, and the trees have been disappeared already as to make way for widening roads. Unpaved roads near Ramnagar area to Bengaluru, we have unpaved roads which are under construction, causing dust particles leading to air pollution. And there is no green cover, it is leading to pollution and in turn causing global warming and increasing the temperature. The people of Bengaluru urban areas have started using air conditioners, again leading to increase in the greenhouse gases and leading to air pollution. And garbage burning, it has significantly reduced over the time, but we can find them here and there. It is also causing air pollution. And constructions due to rapid urbanization is causing air pollution. Global warming is taking place due to air pollution and other pollution, which has witnessed the birds falling from the sky due to exhaustion and dehydration. In 2022 summer, the temperature reached about 35 degrees Celsius, causing birds to fall from the sky. Avenue trees and reduction in air pollution. Trees are our savior. We have to protect the trees. This will reduce pollution. A study titled Effect of Tree Trees on Microclimate and Air Pollution in Tropical City. It states that the avenue trees are crucial in reducing the air pollution. It maintains a cooler and humid climate, and the pollutants are less in these areas. And hence, it is necessary that we plant more trees across the streets. The solution to the air pollution, it is in plain sight. All we need to do is we have to take action. That is, we have to switch to greener vehicles and use metro. We have to dispose garbage. We have to segregate the waste, and we have to use public transport, not using our own personal vehicle. It will reduce pollution, and we have to plant trees and plants, increase green cover in the city, and we have to monitor the red category industries such as cement and stone crushing industries in Bangalore so that the emissions do not go beyond a certain limit. Awareness. Spreading awareness about the importance of trees is a must. This will reduce air pollution in the city. Water pollution in Bangalore. As we have seen earlier itself, in Varthur Lake and Belandur Lake, toxic foam formation was formed due to effluent from the industries and leakage of sewage pipes. In 2015, there was severe fire in both the lakes due to toxic froth formation. The sluice gates must be installed in the inlet and outlet pipes, and we have to make sure that the lakes are clean and no garbage or any construction material is thrown out. And the only solution is prevention is better than cure. We have to make sure that the lakes are rejuvenated, and the lakes which are polluted, they must be cleaned. And we have to make way for purification mechanisms so that the water reaching to these lakes are clean. And we have to set up monitoring cells to check water quality, which is not present in Bangalore. And we must do rainwater harvesting to utilize rainwater, and it will help us itself. And we have to restore the groundwater, as the water from the lake will seep down to the ground, causing groundwater pollution. So we have to make sure that the water is pure and clean so that it does not cause any harm to the people. Soil pollution in Bangalore is linked to water pollution as well. The pollution of the water seeps to the soil, causing soil pollution. And throwing garbage in the open also causes soil pollution. The solution is waste management. We have to segregate different kinds of waste and dispose them accordingly. BBMP must take effective steps, and there must not be any gaps in the mechanism of segregation of waste. Noise pollution in Bangalore is attributed to the vehicles and industries. We have to create awareness to reduce noise pollution, and there must be people following these as well, and those not following must be penalized. Conclusion. As we have seen, urbanization, deforestation, and pollution, they're all interconnected. These problems are man-made problems, and the remedy also lies with him. But the only thing is, they are not taking a step forward. We citizens must be proactive, and we have to make sure that we develop in a sustainable way, and our future generation can also develop. And the geography of the Bangalore is the key for the sustainable development. Thank you.